In this video, I'm gonna teach you exactly what it says on the title of this video, how to build your honor boxes. If you purchase honor boxes from Vending Business Solutions, then this is the video for you. I'm gonna give you a quick 20-second way to fold these boxes up. I recommend starting from the back, which is right here, folding this down, bringing it up, folding the grooves on the side in, and then essentially just folding it down. But before you fold it down, make sure you push in the money box tabs. So that's how they sit secure in. And then bam, if those are pushed in properly, this will click into place and your box is folded. So that's really all you have to do. And then if you want extra security, there are little holes here that you can essentially zip tie. So once you put this down here and plug this back in here and it sits in there nicely, you could zip tie that box down so you know if anyone has tampered or touched any of your money. And then this is your box, and essentially with a lollipop insert, this is what it's gonna look like. And this is basically a cardboard vending machine that you place inside of businesses, restaurants, employee-driven locations, break rooms, next to coffee machines, anything like that. Honestly, people love them because they know a little bit of money is going back to charity. If you want to learn more about these boxes, go to Vending Business Solution. If you've already purchased these boxes from us, we appreciate your business very much, and we continue to wish you a very prosperous vending machine business, and we hope to see you back on this channel here soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.